Hai Naila, hai Feras. Kalian bisa lihat dan dengar aku dengan jelas tidak?
Iya, jelas banget.
Naila, you can see and hear our voice, right?
Yes, I can see and hear you both. Hi, Intan. Hi, Peras.
That's right. Her name is Feras. Feras, Naila barusan nyapa kamu. Dia ngomong, hai Feras.
Oh iya, halo juga. Tapi dia ngerti nggak sih aku ngomong apa?
Enggak, dia nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia, cuman bisa bahasa Inggris. Tapi tenang, aku akan jadi penerjemah kalian hari ini.
Wah, keren banget. Makasih ya, Intan.
Feras say hi. She also say thank you because I'm helping you both understand each other.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you too, Intan. And hi again, Peras. Dia ngomong apa tuh?
Dia bilang, kamu manis banget karena ucapin makasih. Terus dia bilang, hai juga.
Oh, ha, salam balik ya.
Nela, she say hello again too.
So this is fun. I finally get to meet Feras. You always talk about her when we play games.
Dia bilang seru bisa ketemu kamu, Veras. Soalnya aku sering cerita tentang kamu tiap kita main game bareng.
Emang kamu cerita apa aja sih tentang aku ke dia?
Nela, she asks what I usually tell you about her. She's curious.
Nothing bad, I promise. Just that you're really fun. And you always make Intan laugh.
Naila bilang dia nggak pernah cerita yang jelek. Katanya kamu seru dan selalu bikin aku ketawa.
Oh, waduh, ketahuan nih, aku lucu.
Yeah, she's proud of being funny.
She is. So, Feras, does she play games often too?
Dia nanya, Veras, kamu suka main game juga gak?
Iya dong, aku sering main game. Apalagi kalau kita main bareng. Tapi yang ngajarin main Valorant kan kamu juga kan?
Ya benar. Nela, she says yes, she plays game a lot, especially if we play together. And actually, I taught her how to play Valorant.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. Maybe next time the three of us can play together again.
Teras, dia bilang seru tuh kalau kita main bareng bertiga lagi nanti.
Boleh banget, tapi jangan ketawain ya kalau aimku ngaco ya.
Nela, she says she is totally up for that, but he asks you not to look at her bad aim.
I won't. I'm bad at aiming too.
Whereas dia bilang dia juga sering zong tuh, jadi tenang aja.
Asik, berarti bisa bareng-bareng noobnya ya. Jadi lebih santai.
Nela, she says it's nice to play with people who are also casual player. No pressure, just fun.
Exactly, that's what I like too. Tan, Naila tinggal di mana sih sebenarnya?
Parents want to know. Naila, Where do you live?
I live in Australia. What about Veras?
Dia tinggal di Australia tuh. Terus dia nanya, kamu tinggal di mana, Vera?
Wih, jauh amat. Aku di Jakarta.
Vera lives in Jakarta, very far from Australia.
Yeah, it's really far. Wait, are you guys from the same city?
Yes, we are both from Jakarta, just different areas.
Wow, that's cool. I never been to Jakarta before.
Bilangin dong, kalau kapan-kapan mampir aja. Ntar kita traktir deh nasi goreng.
She says if you ever visit Jakarta, they'll treat you to nasi goreng. It's fried rice, very yummy.
Oh, I love fried rice. I love that someday.
Dia suka nasi goreng juga, Vera. Siapa tahu suatu saat bisa beneran ketemu ya.
Amin, siapa tahu.
Anyway, what is Jakarta like? I've never been to Indonesia. Is it like super crowded? What's fun to do there?
Vera, Naila nanya, Jakarta tuh kayak gimana sih? Soalnya dia belum pernah ke Indonesia. Katanya Jakarta kelihatannya ramai banget. Dan dia penasaran hal seru apa yang bisa dilakukan di sana.
Wah, ramai banget. Sih udah pasti. Macet juga, ha. Tapi seru. Seru, banyak tempat buat nongkrong, belanja, makan enak.
She say yes, Jakarta is definitely crowded. And yeah, traffic is crazy, but it's really fun. There are lots of cool places to hang out, shop, and eat amazing food.
Kalau makanan khas, lumayan banyak gak sih? Kalau mau coba, soto Betawi, kerak telur, sama es podeng.
She said that if you want quite a lot of typical food, you can try Betawi soto, kerak telur, and ice pudding.
Terus, buat tempat seru, kita bisa ke Kota Tua, ke Ancol, Taman Mini, sama mall-mall gede gitu.
For place, she mentioned Kota Tua, Ancol, a beachside Sama Park, Taman Mini, and some big shopping malls.
Ooh, it sounds awesome. Wait, what's kerak telur? It sounds like crispy eggs.
Dia nanya, kerak telur tuh apa? Katanya kedengarannya kayak telur yang renyah.
Bener sih. Jadi itu kayak telur yang digoreng kering, terus dikasih ketan, terus dikasih kelapa parut, sama dibumbuin gitu. Biasanya dijual di acara budaya gitu, atau di festival.
You are kind of right. Kerak telur is like a savory omelette made with sticky rice, seared coconut, and special spices. It's usually sold at traditional event or festival.
Wow, that sounds really unique. I want to try that. And what about shopping? Is it cheap? I love hunting for cute stuff.
Veres dia bilang pengen coba, terus dia juga nanya kalau belanja di Jakarta murah gak? Soalnya dia juga cari barang lucu.
Wah, Kalau belanja tergantung tempat sih. Di Tanah Abang banyak banget baju murah. Terus ada Taman City, atau kalau dia mau yang kekinian bisa ke SCBD atau Grand Indonesia. Tapi siap-siap dompet juga ya.
Better say it depends where you shop. In Tanah Abang, you can find super cheap clothes. It's like a giant wholesale market. There are also Tamrin City, but if you are looking for trendier place, SCBD or Grand Indonesia Mall are great, but be ready to spend some money.
Noted. Sounds like I need a big suitcase when I visit.
Bilangin, nanti aku anterin keliling Jakarta. Asal dia berani naik motor di tengah macet.
Perez says she'll take you around the city herself if you are brave enough to ride a motorbike in Jakarta traffic.
Oh my god, that sounds terrifying and exciting. I'm in.
Dia bilang terdengar menyeramkan, tapi seru banget. Dia mau.
Asik. Siapin helm double ya, Tan.
They say get a second helmet ready.
Deal. And maybe after all the riding, we eat that soto Betawi.
Pasti. Makan soto Betawi abis keliling wajib banget.
Absolutely. These days is a must. Soto Betawi after all the reading.
I'm looking forward to visiting Jakarta more and more now. You guys make it sound amazing.
Kapanpun dia kesini, kabarin ya. Kita siap jadi tour guide-nya.
Perez says whenever you come, just let us know. We'll be your personal tour guide.
You two are the best. Thank you guys. This has been so fun.
Perez dia bilang makasih, seru banget ngobrol hari ini.
Sama-sama. Seru juga akhirnya bisa ketemu temen mainmu yang bule itu.
To say it's really fun to finally meet your foreign gaming friends.
Haha, that's cute. Let's talk again soon ya.
Yeay. Tapi pakai jasa Intan lagi dong ya.
She say yes, but only if I keep being the translator.
Deal. You're the best interpreter ever, Intan.
Oh, thank you kalian berdua, juga seru banget. Sampai ketemu di game lagi ya.
Siap.
Can't wait.